Hey guys, it's Brandi Carson with the Help Club for Moms, and I have a few great money-saving laundry tips for you today. The first one is an easy, simple fabric softener. Here I have my nice little dispenser I've got. A few years ago, we switched from buying laundry detergent to making our own homemade, which is very simple with stuff you probably already have at home. It's simply vinegar and water. That's it. It doesn't leave your clothes stinky, I promise. We've been using it for years and nobody's ever said that we stink like vinegar. You just simply do about half and half. If you want to use a little extra vinegar, that's okay too. But you just simply add it. We still have our old school little Downy ball. We just fill it up in here, maybe add a little bit more than you would normally. Not only that, but it helps keep your laundry, your washing machine extra clean and not have buildup in it. So super cheap. You can buy a big jug for a couple bucks and it lasts for months. The next tip we have is a homemade DIY powder laundry detergent. Now, I know a lot of people don't want to mess with trial and error and all this stuff, but in how much work it can be, because there are some that are just kind of a pain to make. But we have 5 kids and I don't have a whole lot of extra time to deal with this. And this is easy and simple, and it's an easy way to get the kids involved because there's a fun little surprise science activity to help make it. We can make all of this and it lasts our family of 7 for at least 6 months. And back when they were all little and we had less kids, it lasted 9 months. If you have a smaller family, even longer. So it costs about $20 or less really if you buy everything full price. If you save money with coupons and stock up when things are on sale, you could easily way cheaper. I mean, who can beat 6 months of laundry detergent for 20 bucks, really? So our first ingredient is regular baking soda, but in a 4-pound box. It's same stuff you bake with. Next, you're going to use a whole box. Eat a whole box of everything. Is super washing soda. And then next is a full box of Borax. Now, all of these ingredients right here are all next to each other in the laundry detergent aisle. Bam, it's just like waiting for you to make it. Next you're gonna need 3 bars of Ivory Soap, and this is gonna play into our fun little science experiment later that we'll show you. And then if you want something that smells like laundry detergent with that nice fresh smell, you can either buy Purex Crystals or these are Downy Unstoppables scent boosters. They just add that extra fun laundry smell that you're used to, and my husband loves it. We used to not use it and he missed it, so we started buying this, and it smells great, and it makes your clothes smell great too. So our first step is you're gonna wanna take one of your bars of Ivory Soap and cut it into about 6 pieces over here, and I have some cut out. It makes it a smaller chunk. Now, what we're gonna do is I just put it on a paper plate because it's gonna make a mess and I can just throw it away, but you can use a regular bowl or whatever. We're gonna put this in the microwave, and we're gonna microwave it for about 30 seconds, and what happens is it grows into this big fluffy soap cloud it's just so cool. It's really cool. And then that's where the kids come in. They help, and it crumbles just into a powder, and we crumble it into a trash bag, and we do all of the soap that way, and each of the kids get to take turns crumbling the soap and playing with the fluffy soapy cloud. And when it's all done, it's all mixed up already. So we're gonna put that in, push the 30-second button, and this is the fun part. Come watch it grow into its nice fun soap cloud. Now, a few tips about this is I wouldn't try mixing your laundry detergent in a bowl. 1, it makes a ton, and 2, it gets really hard to stir up those sandy, dusty, powdery ingredients. So what we do is we mix everything in a large trash bag, and so all the kids, we do all the soap. After all 3 bars of soap are microwaved, they have it all crumbled up. Then you add all your powdered ingredients to it, and you just shake and bake, mix it all up and shake it in your big trash bag. Now look at this.
Whoa.
Isn't that fun? Now we're gonna bring it over here, and this is where the kids have fun. You wanna let it cool down for a second because it does get pretty hot, but I'm just gonna show you. Look at that. It's like cotton candy almost, but you don't wanna eat it. And so we'll put it in the bag, and the kids each take turns crumbling it up, and it turns into just a powdery dust. Now you want to make sure that you kind of have some ventilation because it gets strong smelling. But all the kids just take turns and they love it. All of them, even the little guys, help make it. And you slowly microwave all 3 bars of soap cut up And once that's all done, like I said, add everything in there and your laundry detergent is ready. I mean, less than half an hour, and your family gets involved and the kids get to do it, and it's fun. So I hope you have learned a few tips today on how to save money, and I hope you try a few. Nice seeing you guys. Bye.